Okay, hello. Welcome to a continuation of our tutorial. In our last tutorial, we looked at the design of the header section of our A1 catering website, and today we are gonna look at the next section, which is going to be the banner. We're going to have the banner section, and then we're going to have some other section that are showing some of the services that is being rendered by A1 catering business. Okay, so this time I'm gonna start continuing in the content. So in our last tutorial, we look at this header, how we came up with our logo, and then we were able to design some links in the home, and then we were able to style them in our CSS file. Okay, today I'm gonna look at the content. So I'm gonna create a class called content, and in the content I'm gonna have a banner. So I'm gonna create another div, and I'll give it a class called banner.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to have my banner. My banner is just an image, so it's just going to be an image which I'm going to pick from images slash. I'm going to pick hamburger.jpg, which is this file here. So I'm going to pick hamburger.jpg. Alright, so I'm going to come into my CSS file now. So I'll create a class called .content, and I'm going to create another class called .banner, and then I'm going to create in my content, I'm going to give it a height of let's say 30 em, and then I'm going to give it because of the header section. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it like this. Then my banner, in my banner class I have my banner and I have my um, image in my banner class. So I'm gonna give my banner I'm gonna leave my banner like this for now, but I'm gonna create another. I'm gonna target the image in my banner because I have an image tag that is inside. I have an image tag which is inside a div that has a class banner. So I'm gonna target that image now. I'm gonna give it a width of 100%. I'm gonna give it a width of 100% and a height of 600 pixel like this. Okay, I'm gonna look at how what we have so far. Good. Okay, you can see that. So this is my image, which is my banner, and I have an image of 100% and a height of 600 pixels. Good. Next, I'm gonna design another section, a section that is divided into 3 subsections. So I'm gonna come here and I'll say div.section, or yeah, okay, I'm gonna say div.section. So in my banner here, I can just say display is block and the width is 100%, like this. Then I'm gonna have my section, the new class I just created. I'm gonna have a padding of maybe of 20 pixels, like this. Then I'm gonna have 3 divs in my section. Sorry. So I'm gonna have a div and I'm gonna give it a class of let's say class of box, like this. And I'm gonna have them into 3. So I'm just gonna copy this and paste it. Okay. Now this div section is just for promoting the business. So it's gonna bring you some key services and values of the business. Okay, what do I want? I want the box to I want 3 boxes to come side by side. So I'm gonna create another class called box. Okay, I'm gonna give it a width of 33.33%. So that is 1/3 of the screen, and I'm gonna float it. Let's float it to the left, like this. Okay. Okay. Then I'm gonna float it to the left, right? Okay. So let's do. Then in my box here, I'm gonna have some icon. So I'm gonna say no, I'm gonna have the I tag. I'm gonna have the I tag. I say okay, good. I'm gonna give it in a div as a div.icon, right? Now I'm gonna have the I tag. I'm gonna give it a class. So I'm gonna look for some font awesome classes. Let's say fa.info, and I'm gonna make the next. I'm gonna give another div. I'll call it okay. Let's call it okay. Let's say div.text, right? And I'm as well going to give it a text here, right? So I'm gonna copy this and paste it here, and I'll paste it. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna copy from here. Alright, I'll paste it here, and I'll paste it here. Right? Okay, let's see, what do we have so far? What do we have? I'll refresh this. Okay, so where's my I tag? Can I see my I tag? Have I linked my font awesome? Yeah. Okay, good. I have not linked my font awesome. So I'm gonna link this font awesome to my web page now. So I'm gonna have link. My font awesome is in the folder called CSS, and I'm gonna have font dash awesome dot min dot css. Yeah, good. So I'm gonna save that, and I'm gonna refresh again. Okay, I have my font awesomes now. Then I'm gonna change I'm gonna think of an icon that I can use here. Let's say thumb, thumb up, thumbs up, like this. I hope I'm correct. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna think of another icon to use here. Can we use light bulb? Okay. I hope I'm correct. No, I'm not correct. Okay. Can I use oh, okay, I'm just gonna okay, let's see. Let me see what icon can I use. Cubes. Cubes. Can I use cubes? That's how it looks like. Cubes. It's not showing. Use cube. Still not showing. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna put. Let me just see. Spoon. Oh, there is spoon. Okay, let's try spoon. I think spoon is nice. Spoon. F a spoon. Ah, it's not showing. So this is my font or sound version. It's pretty old. F a building. And, wow, what class is this? Delicious. Oh, delicious. Where is it? It's gone. It's gone. Delicious. I think delicious. Delicious. Let's try this. Okay. Oh, all of them are not showing. That's too bad. Just going to try maybe globe and just try something different there. Or moon. Okay, let's try moon like this. Okay. Let's leave it this way. Now, the last thing I'm gonna do before I call it a day is that I'm gonna write all these classes. So I already have my dot section, my dot box, I already have my docs box, and so that's why they're coming all together in one straight line. Next thing I'm gonna have is that I want these icons to be so big. Oh, sorry, I have the text in the icon class. No, no, no. The text div is supposed to be outside of the this one. So it's supposed to come like this. So I have an icon and I have a text. I have an icon and I have a text like this. So the same thing goes for this. Okay, so I'm gonna style my icon class now. So my dot icon class, I just want it to have a text align of center, right? And I want it to have a font size of maybe 60 pixels. 60 pixels. Okay, let's see what do we have now. Good. Then I want my text, my dot text although I have no text inside now. Okay, let's see, can we have a text? Let's see. Okay, the the catering the catering business for all kind of occasion. Okay, let's have another one here. um Quality catering, 6 second to none. Okay, let's have another one here. um what do I want to write? Cheap and affordable for you and your loved ones. Okay, so we have some text now. Let me see how that is showing. Good. Okay, so I'm just gonna come here. I said the text. I'm gonna give it text align. Text align should as well be center. Then the font size should be maybe 30 pixels. Then the font family should be let's see, can I try consolas? Okay, let's see what we have now. Just for practice sake. Okay, so far so good. This is what we have today. I'm gonna stop here today, and we're gonna continue for next tutorial. We're gonna design our footer. We're gonna design our footer, and then we're gonna design some other pages. Okay.